Mix egg with potato and have your dinner ready in a few minutes. Here I'm going to use 2 small potatoes and I'm going to cut them very thinly. If you don't have a grater like this, just use a knife. Once this is done in a frying pan, here I've already put some oil and now I'm going to add all the potatoes. Let's now let it cook over low heat. Meanwhile, in a smaller container, we're going to add 2 eggs here. I'll season it with a little salt, black pepper and sweet paprika. Then it's just mixing all of that together really well. Once that's done, we're going to take all of these eggs and we're going to add them on top of our potato. On top, we're now going to add 4 slices of tomato, more or less 100 grams. We're going to cover it and let it cook until this egg hardens. Once it's like this, guys, we're going to take it out and we're going to flip it onto a plate and go back to the pan. On top, I'll add 100 grams of already grated mozzarella, a little oregano on top, but if you like it or not, you don't have to. Now just cover it and we'll leave it until the cheese melts. Look guys, our dinner here is ready. Transfer to a plate and cut as you like. It's delicious, super quick, easy and yummy. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the poor in the kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.